Thursday, June 20th. I haven't been here in 3 days. Let's check in with Dad. So Dad stayed late last night and he called with the update last night to see what was going on. We got a fuel tank hooked up here because I'm imagining the fuel tank isn't installed, but he told me he got it started. Still got to install that external fuel tank. I know the machinist is coming by today. So, but everything looks cleaned up and tightened up in here. Dad was talking about doing some linkages. And underneath, that floor panel is installed. The dash-mounted gear shifter is installed. He still needs to put a knob on there. He's got the steering wheel in. We pointed that out the other day. But, looks like the floor is already covered up. And they got the brace in for the seats. And there's a bunch more cleanup to go on here yet, but that's all closed up as well. So that's all for the brake pedal and the gas pedal. That's all cleaned up. All the electronics are done underneath. I don't think there's anything else in the front here. And if you notice, tracks are all on. Dad got that done the other day. So he said it only took him half day to get that done, and so all the bearings, races, and seals are installed in the tires. The spare tires are installed in there for the test run. This side is also done. I think it looks a little loose. Might have to tighten up the track adjusters, but final days here, guys. The customer is going to be here on the evening of the 26th. Dad's 82nd birthday is on the 27th, and he's still going strong. But I'm going to let Dad fill us in on the rest. But that's your quick update for me. So we might have to charge the batteries here.
Yeah, this is just hang on. We'll get. No, I have to wait for a couple minutes. Core. Okay. Now you gotta press like hell for it to close it. Yeah. That's it.
Okay, so these guys are installing the chairs right now, or the seats, and we got to charge up the battery before we can start it up again. Dad did say he got it started yesterday, though. The other thing is the rear door is back on, and they just topped up the antifreeze again, and so they're going to be doing that for a bit, and I got to run back to work, but I'll be here all day tomorrow, so this might be spliced into tomorrow's video, or I might just make the one video here today. So is there any other update besides starting that you can point out? Is that the new air breather?
That's just a minute, I'll get a light. We had a fitting with the gas tank this morning. They're gonna finish it Monday morning. That's the new air breather.
Okay.
This is a gas hose that feeds the carburetor.
Yeah.
And I had to put that on so that he's got room to add oil.
Okay, so the machinist came out and they did the last measurements here for the inside of the internal.
Fitted it in there.
Okay. Oh, it did fit.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you going to make the cut, or are they making the cut for the fuel spout?
They're gonna install the gas gauge and put the elbow in, and then I'll finish it from there.
Okay. So with the customer showing up.
And this is the
Next
wire
week.
here for the fuel gauge once we're ready.
Yeah.
I'm hooked to a gas tank right now.
Okay.
We're going to come through here
Yeah.
with a steel pipe and a hose, and the hose will go here for feeding.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get you, you press the button and just then, and press it and where the fuck
Just-
are we? You press it and don't hold on to it. Press it and we'll see if it fires. Okay. Okay.
There you go, folks. This is what a lot of guys wanted to see. It's up and running.
Fuck no. Distributor might turn a bit. Try it again.
Okay, these guys are going to be working on some of the final touches here, and we'll check back in with them later. Okay, walk at the shop. I'm going to follow my mum. My mum is going this way, I'm going that way. Okay.
Maybe look back.
Bent ear, a little nervous.
He's going.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah, good. Hey. Oh, Mum, I'm such a good dog, Mum.